right, the next thing we're going to do is 12. So the first thing we want to do is write our name at the top of the paper. All right, everybody have their name done? Now we have 12 jacks, and I was explaining to Dean and Scott what jacks are. Jacks are a game to play. Maybe when your parents were little, they had some jacks. I had some jacks when I was little. You have these jacks on the ground, and you have a bouncing ball, and so you drop the ball, and as the ball bounces back up, you pick up a jack, and then you're supposed to catch the ball. And you're supposed to do that until all the jacks are gone. So that was a game. All right, so first thing we want to do is we want to color our jacks. And jacks came in any sorts of colors. Sometimes they were metal, so they looked silver, but they had colored jacks as well. I'm not sure. I want to say maybe I've seen them here at one point in time, but I'll have a look. If I see some, I'll bring some in and we can try to play them. But ask your parents. Ask your parents if they ever played jacks when they were a little kid. It used to be quite a popular game to play. All right, now 12 is easy because we've already done the numbers 1 and the numbers 2. So we just want to draw a 1, and then we make a 2. Maybe make yours better than I made mine. You want it to touch the top line. All right, leave a little space because we don't want it to look like a really big number. So 1 and 2. 1 and 2. I think I can make one more. 1, 2. All right, now we want to practice writing it on our own. So first one we trace. So 1 and 2. 1 and 2. 1 and 2. 1 and 2. And our last 12 with the 1 and the 2. Now the last thing we want to do is draw 12 hearts. Now a heart isn't that hard to draw. I was telling Scott and Dean how to draw them today. So kind of like we just started with the 2 up there, yeah? Except we don't make the line going across the bottom. Now we want to mirror that, so we make a little hook at the top and we bring it back down. So make your round bit and bring it down. Now I suppose on the other end what you could do is like make an M and then connect it together. You can do it that way too. Or vice versa, you can make what looks like a V and then like 2 ice cream cone tops. So whatever method works better for you. So like the M and then the V, or do the bottom of the ice cream cone and then make a 2 scooped ice cream cone. So how many do I have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I need 6 more. So 1, or I should say 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.